School. School is a place where children learn things from teachers. School. We have a science project due next week at school. School. College. College is an institution that offers higher education or specialized trainings for different professions. College. She attends college to study business administration. College. University. A university is an educational institution at the highest level where we can study for a degree or do research. University. She attends a prestigious university known for its engineering program. University. Preschool. A preschool is a place that children under the age of 6 can go to learn and play. Preschool. The boy is learning numbers and letters at preschool to prepare for kindergarten. Preschool. Classroom. A classroom is a room that students are taught in, particularly in a college, school, or university. Classroom. The classroom is filled with desks, chairs, and a chalkboard. Classroom. Student. A student is a person who is studying at a school, university, or college. Student. The student raised their hand to answer the teacher's question. Student. Book. A book is a set of printed pages that are held together in a cover so that we can turn them and read them. Book. It was time for dinner, but the book was so good, she didn't want to put it down. Book. Notebook. A notebook is a small book with plain or ruled pages that we can write or draw in. Notebook. My kids personalize their notebooks with stickers and drawings. Notebook. Backpack or book bag is a bag made of leather, cloth, or sometimes even plastic that we can use to carry our items in, our books, pens, paper, as we travel and go about classes. Book bag or backpack. The boy's book bag was so heavy he had to set it down. Book bag or backpack. Pen. A pen is a writing instrument that uses ink. Pen. My pen ran out of ink, so I had to use my pencil. Pen. Pencil. A pencil is a writing utensil that we can use with a graphite center, and they often need to be sharpened to be used. Pencil. I used my pencil to draw so that I could erase it. Pencil. Eraser. An eraser is a small tool used for removing the marks of a pencil from a piece of paper. Eraser. The girl shared her eraser with her classmates during the test. Eraser. Marker. A marker is a type of writing utensil that usually has a thicker tip. Sometimes you can even use them on dry erase boards. Marker. They use washable markers for coloring books and crafts. Marker. Homework. Homework is schoolwork that students usually have to do at home. Homework. The boy wanted to go outside and play, but he had too much homework. Homework.